How to use YouTube TV. YouTube TV is a popular live TV streaming service that provides access to over 100 channels, on-demand content, and cloud DVR functionality. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. 1. Sign up for YouTube TV. Step 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Go to tv.youtube.com or download the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, mobile device, or streaming device. Step 2. Create an account. Click on Try It Free to start your free trial or sign up using your Google account. You'll need to enter your personal details and payment information even if you're using the free trial. Step 3. Choose your plan. YouTube TV typically offers one base plan with over 100 channels, including ABC, NBC, ESPN, TBS, and others. You can also add premium channels like HBO, Showtime, or Starz as add-ons. 2. Set up YouTube TV on your devices. Step 1. Install the YouTube TV app. You can watch YouTube TV on various devices, including smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Vizio, streaming devices, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Chromecast, mobile devices, and web browsers. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and search for YouTube TV to install it. Step 2. Log in. Open the YouTube TV app and sign in using the Google account you used to subscribe. 3. Navigate the interface. Step 1. Browse channels and content. Once logged in, you'll see the home screen where you can browse channels and shows in the Live tab, access on-demand content, recorded shows, and explore sections for sports and news. Step 2. Customize your experience. Personalize your content by adding favorite channels, shows, or sports teams. Use the search feature to find specific content or channels. 4. Watch live TV. Tune into live channels. To watch live TV, go to the Live tab on the home screen.